everyone, and welcome back.
No.
I'm with my stubborn friend here. Say hi.
No.
I said say hi.
No.
Okay, well, anyways, today we're going to be talking about Star Stable updates. What's one of your dream updates, Stella?
Come
on, you just gave me an example.
What did I say? The
martingales.
Oh yeah, the martingales, and then the next is a bear, whatever. Yeah.
Yes. The martingales.
Like,
we both really want them to come out, just cause like it'd be more realistic. And what I find funny is that everyone. Oh,
never mind.
Whoa! Everyone keeps Whoa, you okay? Just like blew up. Okay. Everyone keeps wanting Star Stable to add unicorns and fantasy into the game. Me and Stella were talking about this the other day.
That sucks. No.
Yes, exactly.
It's gonna ruin it.
It's a realistic game. It's for people that don't own horses, like myself.
And myself.
And Stella. I'm like, and Stella. And
Acid and myself.
And herself. Stella, Stella
her.
and herself. Anyway, I just think it'd ruin the game, to be honest.
It would.
Unicorns. Really? Don't. Star Stable, please, if you're watching this, don't.
It's gonna ruin it.
Okay, Okay, what's another thing? I really want to add, like, with the Clydesdales that have come out, I really want them to add, like, what do you call them? Like, the carts?
Oh, the, like things that they pull.
Yeah.
But you have to have 2 horses for that.
Yes, like, you and your friend would be able to do it.
Oh, true. They should make, like, a race.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah,
they should do events. Events would be fun.
Oh, what's the Macca's update today? Oh, sorry.
Wait, what?
Sorry.
No, I'm keen to hear it now.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry,
but today,
child. Oh my gosh,
today
guys.
is the $4 cheese. Hey, Mom. Today's the $4 cheeseburger meal.
Yes.
Today's the $4 cheeseburger meal.
Out here.
Oh gosh.
Hang them up in your room.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh gosh.
You mean at McDonald's?
Yeah, it's the $4 cheeseburger meal.
Cheeseburger meal, Emma.
Shush up, Stella.
Sorry.
Jesse and I are trying to watch something out there.
Quick, close the door then.
Oh,
She's a
okay.
bit mad.
We all love the cheeseburgers, especially those updates.
She's like, be quiet.
And
I'm like,
what I find hilarious, people keep wanting our people to eat, like our avatars.
Oh.
Like,
Wait, I'll be right back.
What?
BRB.
BRB.
For like 2 minutes. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Awkward. Okay, well, anyways. Oh, yes, people keep asking me for shortcuts on this track. Well, basically, you just, do this thing, then go fast, and then jump that, jump that. Oh my gosh. Hurry up, Stella. You're back! And then jump on this.
Okay.
You're back!
I'm back.
What took you so long?
I got changed.
Oh,
my black shirt was really hot, so I changed it to a yellow.
Also, guys, I made the mistake of getting another curly. But I mean, I love it. Oh, what's...
Yeah, but...
But, like, seriously. Oh my gosh. This game, I'm telling you. Such an annoying game. Okay, what's another Star Stable update?
I don't know.
Oh.
And I kind of don't care. No, I'm just kidding. I kind
Okay.
of don't care.
Oh.
Oh,
One second,
no.
I'm just showing them iced
Oh.
tea. Here's iced tea.
What? Oh, you're showing them iced tea. Okay. I need to go get a horse.
I need you guys to suggest names for her. Cause Blind Love over here, his name is Zoomer. Just cause, oh my gosh, what was that?
What happened? What's happening? What are you doing?
No more. No, Violet's texted me saying no more.
Ah. Yes, more.
Yes, more. That's what we need. And anyways, you guys need to suggest names for this pretty girl. I literally bought her today, but I'm training Zoomer right now,
Cause you can.
Cause I can. Exactly. You know what? I feel like we should wear a different outfit. Oh my gosh, my inventory's trash. I'm feeling red.
I want to download a game,
You want to download a game?
but I don't want to.
You want to, but you don't want to. Do your facts.
I don't
Stella.
know. I'll download the Star Stable app on iPad.
Oh. You know what? Star Stable updates. Ouch. We need the Bay End illusion. And we need it now. Like, I think I have enough stock going for it, but I mean, like, I'm okay with
but you're probably gonna
waiting.
spend it.
I'm okay with waiting. Like, hey, it's not gonna hurt to wait 1 more week.
Wait, so can you sign in with your
Yes, you can.
Star Stable account?
Okay.
Oh.
Hey, Avery's here.
Oh, they have double grand illusion.
Shout out to Avery Silver Day.
What? What?
Bye, Avery. Nancy Dragon Rider. Hello.
Hello.
I'm Jack
Come on, Star
Frost.
Stable, hello up and
She
down.
walked right through me. Ah, they keep trying to walk right through me, but that's not gonna happen. Wait. Okay,
Open.
but we're not here to talk about Jack Frost. We're here to talk about updates. What horse do you want them to
Oh, I really want them to have
a Tenise walking horse.
and I want them to have bread.
Zebras. No, I'm just
Standard breads.
Ooh. That's a good
They
one.
have the Chingateak pony. They have the Clydesdale, the
Fjord.
whatever. Yeah, the Halflinger. Oh, that's what. Oh, I get it now. Then they have the Hanover, whatever it's called, the Jorvik pony, Lusitano,
Jorvik Stella. Jorvik.
Morgan. Where's that? Where?
I
Oh,
just
sorry, I
realized
didn't
how
even.
stiff the curl is.
Mustang,
That
North
was.
Swedish horse, Trackner. And
Stella,
yeah.
it's gonna take you quite a while to name every horse.
I'm not going to do all of them.
Wow.
I don't know if I want to do the Halflinger, the Jorvik pony, the Hanover. I don't know. I want to do Lusitano.
And what horse do you think they should take out of the game?
The old Andalusians.
Ew.
They're disgusting.
Ashley has one on her account.
I know, it's terrible.
Like, please save us. Oh, what is that? Wait, I need to stop this race. Look at this person doing a weird ritual. We love weird rituals. Ah, I got 1 minute still. I can still do it. Come here, bunny.
Oh, there's a dapple.
Oh, also,
Tano.
I really need name ideas.
Yeah.
I have a heap of my horses that I haven't named yet, and stop teasing me, please. This rabbit.
Other North Swedish horses cute? Like,
Yes,
good?
they are cute. I don't know
Are
why.
they good?
I have no idea why I deleted mine.
I don't know if I want to do the Chingateak. No, I want to.
I got one named with Power Cookie, and I realized how terrible that name was.
I want to do the Halflinger, the Lusitano,
Come here.
or the North Swedish horse.
No, get a curly.
You can't do curlies on here.
Oh, they should really add one.
I don't know which one to do though. Is Halflinger a pony?
No.
Oh, they're so tiny.
get a Lusitano. You can do 2 horses.
I know. I know.
I'm
What
pretty
should I
sure
name
they're
it?
I'm pretty sure they're cheaper than the app. Guys, I'm gonna fail this race. What am I doing?
Oh my god, it's a dappled grey Lusitano. Should I do Diamond Strider? No.
Diamond coat. Diamond flare. Diamond something else. Not Strider. Prancer. Prancer. Come here, rabbit.
Apple pie. No.
Apple pie. Help. I just lost. No, we're not doing this race. Can't be bothered.
Whose account are you on?
Mine.
Oh. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Diamond.
And we're back at it again.
Diamond secret. No.
Literally. Okay, I think that's enough of this video. Well, bye guys. That's all for today. Make sure to leave a like, etc., etc. Bye.